Dropping bricks in conversation, navigating English idioms. Hello, language explorers. Welcome back to our channel, where we journey through the fascinating landscape of English idioms. Today, we're going to unpack the meaning behind the phrase, drop a brick. So, get ready to add another colorful expression to your conversational toolkit. When someone says they dropped a brick, they're not talking about construction accidents. This phrase is actually a British idiom that means to say something awkward or embarrassing, usually by mistake. Imagine the silence that follows the loud thud of a brick dropping. That's the kind of social thump this phrase refers to. The origins of drop a brick are a bit murky, but it's believed to have come from the early 20th century. It conjures up the image of social blunders that disrupt the flow of conversation, just like how a literal dropped brick would disrupt the tranquility of a setting. Let's look at how to use this in context. If you overhear someone saying, "I really dropped a brick at the meeting today," they mean they said something inappropriate or embarrassing. It's an admission of a social faux pas. To get a clearer picture, let's see some examples. "I didn't mean to drop a brick when I mentioned his ex-girlfriend. I had no idea they had broken up. She really dropped a brick when she criticized the boss's decision in front of everyone." And there you have it. You're all set to use drop a brick in your next conversation. Remember, everyone drops a brick now and then, but the key is to pick it up gracefully. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more language gems. Keep learning and see you next time.